I am Professor Vinster, and welcome to Jurplastic World.
Professor Vinster, we have this car to work on, if you recognize it. That's the back, and that's the front. The General Lee from the Dukes of Hazzard. Okay, so let's see if we can pop this baby out. Okay, basically, there it is. And it's pretty thick. So when we put it together, this will be it. So that'll be the Dukes of Hazzard. Now for the short film, you move it around like that. But once I put it all together and then putty it, you won't even notice that. And inside is like that, and I'll be making all the seats and the wheels and all that. So there you go. So there's the front, and there's the back. All right, I'm going to put these two pieces together so that I can glue them. What I'm going to do is I think I'm going to glue them. I believe from the inside out would be probably my best bet, so I can get them perfectly. So let's put that there to start. Now you want every nook and cranny to be taped. Okay, so that should take it. Let's see here. Hopefully we can get that to go together perfectly. So we got it to flow both directions. And we got to make sure that the doors are. All right. Now it's all glued together. You can go around it. Actually, I think it looks pretty good. I just have to put some putty in between just so it takes care of the little bit of a crack there. It's pretty good. Pretty good. There we go. See how everything lines up. Perfect. 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 Perfect.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.